that this stainless steel clutch line has absolutely fixed my lockout situation. What happened to betting at $1,000 that last time? You said $1,000 that you'll win. Okay. Done. So
this shit ain't stock though.
It is stock. What are you? This day is mighty dirty today. Mighty dirty. I haven't driven it all week. But let's go get this thing cleaned up and do some pulls in this car so we can see if this clutch line has fixed my lockout problem. Remember, don't do justice. I know these pipes, these tips will. That's how dirty the car is. I haven't washed the car in about 2 weeks. That's actually the longest I have not washed this car. Let's get a cold start going though. 3 days I have not started this car ever since the last video. By the way guys, let's close this door. We got the 305 tires still in the Volkswagen. I still got the grill right here. We got a cold air intake as well. And if we head on over to the back, I also have high flow catalytic converters. I've always had them for the car. Well, these are for the Mustang. I've always had them, never put them on yet, but I think I'm about to put them on soon. I'm gonna start racing this car, get some more racing content on the channel. That's why everything's situated right now. One thing, let's check our brake reservoir and make sure like no fluid is escaped on us. Master cylinder right here. Yeah, we're still good. We're still filled to the top, so no problems at all. I never topped it off, so we good in between the max and the minimum line. Like if y'all can see right here, this is the setup we got right here. It's pretty big, not too big, but I can't do it and drive at the same time. So we're gonna switch over to the GoPro and do some pulls right now. All right, guys. So continuing from the last video, today I'm about to do some pulls in my Mustang and see if my 3rd to 4th gear lockout has been solved by installing this Mcleod stainless steel clutch line. I do have an aftermarket clutch in my car. It's a Satch's performance clutch. It's not a known brand clutch. That's the only mod that I got in my car that can possibly help out with the lockout. But let's get some pulls and let's go. We're gonna start off from 2nd gear. Oh, we made it. 34th. Really quick. Second. Yo, we working this shit. Let's go. So 2 times I brought it all the way up to 7,000 RPM, and I shifted without any problems whatsoever. Without no problems. Even though when I know the problem might occur, that is what might make me mess up, because I know the problem might be there, so that what makes me tempting to say like, or to shift and be like, damn, I know I'm probably about to lock out, but there's like no scare at all from going to 3rd to 4th. It just went smoothly in. Sport mode.
Hey, you saw that Mustang on the side of the street on your Snapchat? That's gonna be you, bro.
That's about to be me? Okay. All right. All right, y'all. All right, I'm about to...
Wow, the one that was on the side that crashed.
This dude been talking so much shit, y'all. He about to get his ass whooped.
Yeah, and then when I get my supercharger, his mouth's gonna be quiet.
Boy, you always talking about a supercharger, bro. Get out of here. Yeah, right.
Hey,
yeah, right, bro. He ain't getting shit.
Like, I want to get this Mustang. It has a supercharger for the same price.
What?
You said you found it private, a person that had a supercharger.
That's how you know, bro. This dude lied.
Supercharger next week.
Because now you already regret it. You know you're gonna lose. What happened to betting at $1,000 that last time? You said $1,000 that you'll win.
You had fucking mods done to your car.
I don't have nothing done to my car, dude. Dude, now you... Yo, this dude is now regretting it once he gets on camera and everything. He was talking mad shit earlier.
Still win.
Okay, all right. He was talking mad shit earlier, bro. This guy. Let's get to it, man. I'm gonna put y'all on the GoPro. What? Wow. Very aggressive. We're hopping on the highway right now. I'm gonna put this stainless steel clutch line to the test and see if it slips up. And if I don't lock out, then I definitely need this clutch line for sure. But I'm glad I get to find a race with this guy because he's been talking mad shit ever since we've been working. But he's hiding on camera now. 35! Off on him though. We gotta rerun that. We gotta run it back. Ready? Yeah, go! We're gonna rerun it on this highway because it's an open highway. And then at the light down there, we're gonna make a U-turn and run it back. All right. 50. Fourth gear is hitting, bro, and he in the dust. Let's go. We gone, bro. That's it. Cutting it off. He done for it. Just stop talking all that shit now. It's been months, bro. This guy been talking so much smack at work. I swear he would not shut up, bro. Trying to bet money and everything. I should have bet and just took his money off of him. You guys seen it, man. It's been about what, 6-7 pulls. I went flush right from 3rd to 4th. No more lockout.
Since you got a manual, you can start before me. That shit's so.
What?
Like, how do I explain it?
Dude, you make no sense, bro. You got an automatic, bro. You should be taking off on me.
No, because when I'm honking, bro, I'm letting you go first.
Dude, you make no sense, bro. There's no. Then now you can stop talking all that smack.
I'm gonna upgrade my car. My shit's stuck.
Okay, dude. You can't say you were talking all that smack though.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were talking all that smack. Now you fucking done. So
this shit ain't stock though.
It is stock. What do you?
Stock.
You think my car's not stock?
You said it on your Snapchat too.
What did I say?
You got shit from Wisconsin. Adrian said you.
Dude, I picked up tires, an air intake, and a grill that I have not installed yet on the car, bro. This dude's tweaking, bro. See, this guy is now he's scared, bro. I'm telling y'all. It's all good though.
Well, fuck, I'm still racing you and my shit ain't stock.
Bro, my shit's stock. I don't know why you keep saying my shit's not stock.
I'm
Like, damn, that was loud. That was a 2010 Camaro SS of his older car. But hey, you talk smack, you're gonna get put in your place. This dude's been talking for way too long, bro. He's just been getting so annoying. Got him out of the way, but also now we've tested out my stainless steel clutch line, and I have not locked out once. So I'm pretty excited about that, because now we can finally get to start racing and throwing on some, throwing on some aftermarket mods. Then other than that, we're gonna get on the boat, man. We're gonna get rolling with this thing, for sure. Here we go again. These gears are hitting, bro. These gears are hitting. Yes, sir. Damn. Yo, it felt so good going in the 4th right now. Brother's calling. Hello?
Is you stepping on your shit?
Yeah, that's me.
Fuck wrong with you, boy. We racing.
RaceON, bro. I'm doing the video right now. You in the vlog. Let's say what's up to the vlog.
Yo, what up?
Yo, we got my brother. He here. All right, so we're gonna try it from a straight dig right now. And let's see. Yo, we hitting gears, bro. I'm in fourth. All right, that's enough. That's enough. It's dark as hell. You can barely see me. Had to show my little coworker something to shut his mouth up, but also I had to show you guys that this clutch line does really help the car. So investing you in a stainless steel clutch line, this was $60 from American Muscle, branded by Mcleod. Definitely invest in that. Got the install video on the last video. Mexican Independence Day is coming up, man, so stay tuned for a lit ass car meet to the curb. I still gotta install these mods for the Stang, man. I've been waiting a little bit. I still got the grill, the GT500 grill to install. I got the 305 tires. I got the air intake. I'm trying to think of something else because I gotta get a tune with the air intake. I just don't want to tune the air intake by itself, so I'm trying to find something else to get that in tune with. That's gonna do it for the video, guys. Make sure you leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, because we gone.